Alright guys, it's your boy CocoaBean, and I'm bringing you back another vlog, and today it's beach day. So, dude, I can't see. Woo, damn bright. Yeah, today's a beach day. Vlog it for y'all. Yeah, we're just gonna have a good time. Watch this.
Go hop in this car.
You finna get his
Y'all don't see us?
bro.
Y'all don't see us?
We see
No.
you.
Oh, alright.
It's green.
Oh, alright. Why?
I don't know.
They ain't got no grill, cuz I'm.
No hot dogs.
They ain't got no grill. We can't get no hot dogs.
We don't got no grill, man. Somebody gonna have a grill. We gonna always have a grill.
Not a girl out.
With me, I got a
What, boy?
Put me back on camera.
No, you can't. You're gonna be the Walmart guy. Did you bring soda? What'd you bring?
I brought Coke and water.
You thought about me. Yes, sir. Ah, shit. No, y'all gonna make me buy you beer. Let's go this way.
No song?
Nope. No, sir. I'm 17.
You're still a minor, bro. If you're not 21, I'm 21.
Let's get some Heineken. Yo, come on. You said you want to be on camera, man. You left behind. Come on. What happened? So why can't Payne go?
He said his parents at work. That's a good time to go.
That's salt water.
That's the same video. Tú sabes, mi gente, aquí estamos locos. Aquí estamos en Walmart.
Tell him.
Ya
Tell
tú
him.
sabes.
Tell him.
Mira, mi gente, aquí estamos comprando soda para la pinche party, man. Pura party.
Oh, you dropped your cancer stick.
Oh, man.
She bad.
Might have to raise her up.
What kind of water was it? Like one of these, like packets?
It was the Sam's Club one.
Okay.
Like Kirkland.
All right. All right, guys. We gotta see if they have any Funkos I like. All right, then I got shit. All right, let's go, guys.
That's it.
That's it.
Beef jerky. Reason.
Look at that. All right, let me show them what we got. What we got?
You can have a drink.
Where's the beer?
I asked you to buy it. What the fuck is your problem? I told you to buy the fucking beer.
Sorry. All right, let me show y'all how y'all. Here, where's my cameraman? What's it? Look, this is how y'all break the ice. I know y'all know nothing about that. It's all right.
I do this shit every day, cousin.
Like you?
Every day? What the fuck you be doing, man? Drinking cold water. Come on, mix it up.
I think that's too much ice.
We need to get in the bottom. Hey. Bro, get a load of this guy.
Alright, let me hear some. Alright guys, look at the setup.
Look at him.
You're done. There's fucking nothing in here, bro.
I told you, go tell me how the water feels.
There's nothing in here. Nobody. Oh,
I told you, it's cold, but it feels good.
we need a trash bag.
Yes, bro, you're not getting enough water, bro. That's the problem.
Oh, nah.
Oh, come on.
Oh, nah. I can't swim.
Okay, it goes, you're pretty tall, so you go.
Oh! Damn. They think I don't know how to swim, but I really do know how to swim. Just don't tell them. All right, show me. Can't swim. Oh nah, y'all good. I ain't going over there. Oh nah. Hey, why you keep going so far? Okay. Damn, strong ass body built. Motherfucker. Get his Oh my. No. Alright, subscribers, help me find it. I felt a fish smack my ass. Ready, babe? No! Come on, we're gonna get it. No, that shit gone now. No, come on, dude. Oh, you got it. Alright, you got 3 points. How the hell you get 3 points? Let's go. No! Oh shit. Just hit it good. Hey, come on. Hey, y'all gotta push. Come on, man. Oh, Humberto. Come on, Humbert. Oh my God. Yes. Damn, what are you gonna do like that? Shoulders, bro. Let's go. I'm a killer. But she better drown. You okay? Stay on, bitch. I'm on. Oh shit. Oh fuck. We won. Give me time. Get in together, Angel. If you don't win, we're breaking up. Oh shit. Damn. What? We won. No. Roll it back. You got it. No, the fuck you're not. It's your turn. All right, go. Damn, bro, you're fucking. Let's go, babe. Let's go, babe. He said she gone. Oh, fuck. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Push me, bro. Huh? Yes, sir. Hype me up. Hey, I can't hear you. Let me see. Show me some. Show me why I should put you on a vlog. Be in the water for like 30 seconds. All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll shake you down. Bro, you only That's 6 seconds. 6 seconds, bro. Man, come on, I'll race you. Let's see who can hold their breath the longest. Come on. 2, 1, go.
I had to burp. This is how y'all win. Leave a comment down if y'all do this. Watch this. Watch this.
That boy's crazy.
Watch. Hey, don't tell him. You want to race me? You don't want to race me.
You don't want to race me.
Come on. All right, you're the ref. Telling us when to stop.
Oh shit.
One, go.
Cold as fuck. I swear.
Roberto might win. Roberto's gonna win.
You can hang. You can hang.
2, 1, go! Oh, y'all play dirty.
Hey, he's still. That's cheating, Roberto. You can't do that.
Who do not know me, I am CocoaBean. All right, I am captain of this team. I am captain of this team, okay? All right? I am competitive, you understand that? So if you miss, I am talking my shit.
Go ahead.
First one to 10. Hey, wait. If it lands in the square, y'all know how to play, right? If it's in the square, it's safe. If it lands all the way there, it's out, okay? All right? Now you better stay over there. Don't come around here no more. I ain't gonna lie, I thought that was out. That's me, my bad. Huh? My bad. My bad, you right. Yes, sir. My bad. Ah! Yes, sir, yeah, I'm in your head. Hey, black shirt, tank top, I'm in your head. Humber, I love you, buddy, but what the fuck?
I think I had to go a little more forward.
Yeah, a little more forward. In the back. Stay in the front. Stand. What? Yes, sir. Teamwork. That's what I'm talking about. They cannot match us. Come on, here we go. Babe, hit it again. What are you doing? Yeah. Humberto! Babe! You mean an NPC, babe? A CPU? What is it, a computer? Okay, I like it. Yes, sir. Guys, huddle in. Come here. Huddle up. Hurry, we'll pick it back.
Come on, they talking shit. I can't let them talk shit to me.
They can talk shit. Hey, we need a game plan. Y'all stay in the front, we stay in the back. If you're gonna get the ball, call it, okay? Say mine. Say mine, or I'm here. Right. And break. Hit it! Good try. You're MVP, yes sir. Hand it to me. I don't know what you're talking about. I hit my finger. Get the freak out of here. I hit my finger. I'm sorry. You're right.
Come on, Humberto.
Yes, sir. And that's in. You gonna have to fade me for that because that one's in. That one's in. No. Babe, that was a... I got you. Yes, sir. Yeah, we don't need those girls. I'm just playing. I'm joking. You need to get... Okay, I like it. Yes, sir. Guys, huddle in. Come here. Huddle up. Hurry, we'll pick it back.
Come on, they talking shit. I can't let them talk shit to me.
They can talk shit. Hey, we need a game plan. Y'all stay in the front, we stay in the back. If you're gonna get the ball, call it, okay? Say mine. Say mine, or I'm here. Right. And break. Hit it! Good try. Good try. Baby, you didn't do nothing. I'm kidding.
I'm running this.
You're MVP, yes sir. Hand it to me.
Strengthen that arm. Stiff it.
I don't know what you're talking about. I hit my finger. I hit my...
Get the freak out of here.
I hit my finger. I'm sorry. You're right.
Come on, Humberto.
Yes, sir. And that's in. You gonna have to fade me for that because that one's in. That one's in. No. Cross that line. Yeah, it is hot. Yeah. Well, we got this.
It's hot. I can't do it.
I know. Go get your water.
Winner never quit.
Baby, you just said you
Move out,
quit.
freak me.
Okay. Yes, sir. I'm here. Hit it. I'm here. What did I talk about? Yes, sir. I was gonna hit her if I kept going. On my head. Yes, sir. Yes, coach. You alright?